says you can't have fun in the winter. That was so much fun. I gotta go back for more. Well, the canoe is a lot faster. All right, that was fun. Back inside and got myself a coffee and warm up the face. But yeah, I guess the canoe is faster than the kayak by quite a bit. Actually, I was kind of surprised how good the canoe went. It's too bad I didn't have that when I was a kid. Probably good I didn't. I probably would have got hurt. Yeah, with the canoe, I had to put the brakes on, otherwise I would have hit the house. The kayak, it just kind of died out on its own. So now we know. But anyway, I am waiting for spring. I would like to get on the river. I would like to get up north on the Churchill River system. I've never been up there yet. Would like to do some of those routes. See what happens.